Hello, everybody. Welcome to 1.4 prices involving discounts. So we're going to talk about discounted prices and markup prices as well, which are kind of the opposites of discounts. So it's a pretty simple task, especially if you compare it to the things that we've already been doing as well. It's very similar and based on all of it. So hopefully, if we can do what we've done before with taxes and tip, it should be pretty easy. So here's our beginning problem. We see that it says in 2002, a Cook County home had an assessed value of $100,000. By 2008, the assessed home value was had been marked 160% by Cook County assessors. What was the assessed value of the home? So basically, we're saying, hey, this home in 2002 cost $100,000. But in 2008, the price or value of the home increased by 160%. So how much is the home worth now? So that's the type of thing we're going to try and answer. This is, you could call this a markup, but this is just maybe a raised in value. So, but let's take a look. So a store owner buys an item at a wholesale cost and marks it up by adding a percent of the price to the price he paid for it. If you buy that item when it is on sale, you can find the amount of the discount if you know the rate of discount the store is offering. A markup is an increase in the price. A discount is a decrease in the price. Both of these changes can be expressed as an amount of money or as a percent. A markup is often how stores or businesses make a profit. They buy merchandise at one price and sell it for another price. The difference in the price they bought it for and the price they sell it for is the profit margin. Right. So like a retail store, like a Walmart or a Target, they didn't make any of those items there. Those are all somebody else made them and they're selling them at Target. So Target will buy them and sell them for a little bit more. Something like that, right? So that's kind of how it works. So maybe you go to the store and you buy a shirt for $20. Well, cool. Maybe that shirt only costs the store $12, right? So if the store bought it for 12 and sold it to you for 20, the store makes a profit of $8 on the shirt. So that's a markup of price. And discount, of course, is when maybe that thing's been sitting on the shelf for a while. They're not making any money off of it, so they'll discount it and sell it to you for cheaper than what they were originally planning on selling it for. Stores discount items all the time. Often they are still making a profit, but they discount on an item by a specific percentage to try and sell more of that item. Right. So you guys know what a discount is. The percent of change is the percent the price is changing by. If markup is 10%, then the price increased 10%. With discount is 10%, the price decreased 10%. And again, it's all about multiplication. Percent of change times the original amount is the amount of the change. Let's look at an example. So a camera store buys a camera for $149 and marks up the price by 35%. What price does the camera sell for? Okay, so just think about this. So $149. There you go. $149. And marks up the price by 35%. So we're going to increase this by 35% of this price. So we're going to multiply it by 35%, which is 0.35, and we'll get our value out of that. I guess I should pull up the calculator on the screen. I was getting my own calculator, but I guess it's fair to show you guys me typing this in, right? As long as it doesn't mess up my computer. All right. So 149 times 0.35, and this is our markup amount. Now, because it's a markup in price, that's the amount added to our price. So 149 is the original, and they're selling it for $52.15 more than that original price. So that means it's gonna be on sale or for sale at $201.15. Oh, that's our final. It's $201.50. Ah, geez. $201.15. What was the markup amount? 52.15. So 52.15. But again, we end up adding the original price plus this markup amount to end up getting that 201.15. All right. Let's look at a discount now. A camera that normally sells for $189 is on sale at a 20% discount. What is the price? So let's find that discount, right? So $189, and it's going to be a 20% discount. So I want to know what 20% of $189 is. So that's what we're going to find out. $189 times 20%. So 20% of 189 is 37.8. So basically $37.80. Now remember, because it's a discount, that means that we're selling this item for less, this much less than 189. So we're going to do a little bit of subtraction for the first time. 189 minus the discounted amount. So this is how much they're taking off the price when it's a discount. So what is that total? So 189 minus 37.8. We have $151.20. It's going to be the price of that camera after the 20% discount is removed. All right, let's do a few more examples. So let's go back to our problem from the beginning. And let's see what this increased by, what the price of this home was. So remember, the home was $100,000. And it's increasing by 160%. Now you gotta remember, 160% in its decimal form is 1.6. All right, so 100,000 times 1.6 is 160,000. But remember, that's the value increased to the original amount. That's not the value of the home now. That's the value added on to what it was originally. So it originally cost 100,000, but the price has gone up 160%, meaning it's gone up $160,000, making the new value of the home $260,000. So yeah, make sure you understand that one clearly. I think that can be a little confusing sometimes. All right, and then a few more examples to round it out. A pair of shoes with a wholesale price of $40 was marked up by 50%. During a sale, the shoes are discounted at 33%. So this one's kind of doubled up. We're going to mark up the price 50% first, and then we're going to put it on sale or discount at 33%. So we have $40, and remember, it marked up 50%. So I have to figure out what's 50% of 40. Basically, that's half of 40, but we're going to type it in anyway. 50% of 40 is 20, right? So this is how much is added on to the original amount. $40 plus the markup of $20 means that this is on sale for $60. But then it gets discounted. It gets discounted 33%. So this price now has a discount of 33%. So we're going to multiply it by 0.33. That's $60 multiplied by 33 is 19.8. So remember, this is the discounted amount. So this is how much is now coming off of the $60 price. So it was $60. It's going to decrease by 33%, meaning it's going to decrease by $19.80, which leaves it at a grand total of $40.20. So this one's interesting because the price was originally 40, then they increased it by $20, right, to sell it for 60. But then they're like, oh, you know what, guys, we're going to give it away for a real good deal here. We're going to discount it by 33%. And what's interesting is when they discount it 33%, it ends up right back at $40 again, pretty much. So, yeah, it's kind of like it feels almost unfair because it's almost like that's not even a discount. It's still like the same amount it was like originally. So, welcome to Black Friday, I guess, right? So anyway, a camera store buys a camera for $159 and marks it up 10%. What is the new price of the camera? This one we can probably do in our heads, right? $159, and we're increasing it by 10%. Now we should know 10%. It should be something that we can do in our head. 10% of 159 is going to be $15.90. Remember, you could just move that decimal one place, and that's your 10%. So 1590. So I don't even need the calculator to do that part, but I do probably want it to help me add this on. So it's a markup. So we're going to increase the price by that 1590. And so adding those together, the 159 plus the 1590, we get 174.9. So $174.90. All right, and then another discount. So we have a chair, $199. It's on sale for 15% off. So let's figure out what 15% of 199 is. 199 times 15% is $29.85. So that's the discounted amount, $29.85. So that's how much is being subtracted from the price, because it is, again, it's on sale, it's a discount. So subtract $29.85 from the 199 to see what it's being sold for now. We get 169.15 is the current sale price, 15% less than 199. All right. And then final example, $15 shirt is on sale for 30% off. We're going to try to do this one in our head because it is an even dollar amount and it's 30. I feel like we can handle this. So $15 times 30%. Now let's think about what 10% of 15 is. 10% of 15 is 1.5 or $1.50. Now since it's, so $1.50 is 10%. If we triple it, right, we'll end up with 30%. So $1.50 times 3 is $4.50. Yeah, $4.50. So $4.50 is the 30% amount. And this is what we're going to have to subtract, because remember, it's on sale. So we're going to have to take this $15 and minus the $4.50 from it. And it's going to end up at $10.50 for our final price. So that one, again, is kind of, you should be able to kind of do it without a calculator. Again, they are harder that way, but it is worth the challenge. You don't want to just rely on a calculator for everything. So that's our method. All right. And that's going to be it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios.